Si Cyril tumulong ng asikasuhin si AZ.
Say.
I got you. Got you. Got you, Z.
But at least girls.
Rob is not here. It's okay.
I got you, Z.
Cyril's here, Cyril.
I got you, Z. Love language ko kasi kuya yung may inaalagaan, may inaasikaso. And that moment po, AZ needed it the most. Oops, 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 oops. Get this, get this.
I got you, I got you.
Get this, get this.
Oh, linis ako muna to, ha?
Get the towel. I have towel in my basket. 2 towels. Sa labas, kuya, ganun din ako. Mas gusto ko, kuya, na ako yung nagbibigay ng kailangan nila and nang alam kong mapoprovide ko kaysa nagre-receive.
Okay lang ba siya?
She needs to sleep.
She is sleeping now. Can I drink?
Yeah, you got this. Love you.
Ang selfish ko for doing that.
No, that's not selfish. It's a girl's night
AZ,
out.
I love you. I don't care if you have so many vomits. I'm gonna kiss you. And you're gonna be my favorite kiss. I love you! I'm gonna drink!
I love you, ate. Sabihin mo pag mag-vomit ka, I have another bucket. Oh, I have another bucket. I'm gonna stay here. Praying for your happiness. So sa lahat po ng malalapit sa akin, sobra akong ma-effort. Like lahat ng ways na pwede kong gamitin, kuya. Gagawin ko para lang iparating sa kanila yung love ko. Hindi naman po sa pagmamayabang, kuya, pero alam ko po na marami pong testigo kung gaano po ako kabuting ate sa mga kapatid ko, kuya. Ako po yung tipo ng ate na ibibigay ko lahat ng gusto at lahat ng kailangan nila, kuya. Kapag kaya ko, kuya, gagawin ko talaga lahat ng makakapagpasaya sa kanila.